Good morning, everyone. Whoever just came in, good morning. It is June the 15th, 2020 to 6:17. This earthquake took place around 3 o'clock in the morning. All right. So if you felt it and and you woke up, let me know. All right. USGS said this was a 5.4 Eastern Turkey. They've got it at 11 miles east of YEDISU, Turkey. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth. Now, USGS is the only one that's got it at that. Okay. Let me show you. EMSC said at first it was a 5.2. They upgraded that to a 5.5 Eastern Turkey, 12 miles southeast of YEDISU at 3.1 mile in depth. All right, now guess who else has it at a 5.5? And if you're guessing GFC, you're right, and they've got it confirmed. Now, EMSC was the primary data source for this earthquake, right? Keep that in mind. GFC, whoops, let me enlarge that, I apologize. GFC has got this as a 5.5 Turkey. They've got it at 6.2 miles in depth, and they've got it confirmed. All right. Now, GFC is not the only earthquake center that has it at a 5.5. Turkey has got it at a 5.5 also. Now, when I pulled up Turkey, you're going to have a problem with Turkey, okay? You've got to go down the long list. Let me show you what I'm talking about. But it's also going to give you every one of the aftershocks. All right, so let me go get Turkey. I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm pulling Turkey up right now. Guys, look at the list. All right, there's a long list there. All right, now I've got to go down and see if I can enlarge this for you. Get to the 5.5. So tiny. Let me get to the 5.5. They've had, I don't know how many aftershocks. Lots and lots and lots and lots. I can't keep track of them all. All right, I got to enlarge this big enough for me to see. That helps. Where'd you go? I'm going through hundreds of earthquakes now. Okay, hundreds. Since they had the big one the other day. The aftershocks just keep coming. As soon as, there it is. Now I'm going to try to highlight it and turn it sideways for you so you can see it. But I can't give you much information because they're strictly down in the line. So I don't know if you can see that 5.5 right there. Now guys, that's out of all of those things, okay? All of them. There's hundreds of them, hundreds that went through from a 0.1 to a 7, 0.1 to a 1.7 and higher. Hey, free TV, I'm doing good, sweetie. In here, you're going to have the Turkey earthquake length. All right. Let me shrink this back down and flip this phone over so I get back to normal. They had it at a 5.5 to 3.1 miles in depth. All right. So you'll have the link for Turkey. You're going to have GFC, EMSC. They all say it was a 5.5. USGS is saying it was a 5.4. But you'll have those, okay? I promise, they're in there. All right, and keep the Turkey link, because if you're worried about aftershocks, you will have them there, okay? Now let's go to disaster alert and pull that up. Then they're saying, EMSC is saying the closest volcano was 96 miles away. It was the NEMRUT DAG volcano. They're saying it was green, it was normal, it was dormant. Let me go back and open that up. Come on. I don't want to take a survey. All right, please keep in mind that this is a USGS page, and USGS is the only one that's going to get on here. So if it was a 5.5 or higher than USGS said it was not, sorry folks, it won't show up on this page. All right, so let me go find it. This was 3 hours ago, and there it is. And it took USGS quite a while. Well, this earthquake took place at 3 o'clock, let's put it that way. All right, let me go ahead and read this for you. An earthquake of a magnitude 5.4 at a depth of 6.2 miles has occurred 18 kilometers east of Yedisu, Turkey, as reported by the National Earthquake Information Center, the NEIC of the USGS. This is a preliminary, okay? It's a preliminary. But everything they put on here is a preliminary. All right. EMSC said the closest, like I said, village was 12 miles away. It's populated by 1,800 people. All right. Now they're saying, let's go take you to where the, let me see where to go. Let me take you to where it's the earthquake took place and show you where the volcano is in relation to it. Okay. Hey David, how are you this morning? Going down to find, there it is. It says here it was reported by 31 people. Okay. Now they're saying the closest volcano was, see if that's the one. Yep, that'd be the one. All right. Then I'm going to open this up large for you. So you'll see all the aftershocks that happened overnight, well, since yesterday. They're saying this is the closest volcano. This is 96 miles away, and it is green, it is normal, it is dormant. All right, now let me show you all the aftershocks that are happening there. This is just since, this is not putting up the one-pointers. It's not putting up the one-pointers. Check out the Turkey Earthquake Center link in this thing. In the description box when I post it, you're going to see a mess of earthquakes. All right. EMSC, like I said, was the primary data source for this earthquake. Now that is the one right there with the tag above it. It's the one to the left here, or your left. It's right here. All right. Now, let me show you again Turkey. Let me take you to Turkey. Let me show you every aftershock that happened. All right. EMSC, USGS, there's Turkey. Now click on that link for Turkey. All right. It's going to take you. I'm going to scroll down here. Okay, they've had a 1.2, a 2.1, a 1.9, a 1.9, a 1.9, a 1.7. Those are not going to show up on the map. The only thing that's going to show up on the map I'm looking at are 2 pointers. A 2.3, a 2.1, a 2.1, a 2.5, a 2.5, a 2.6, a 2.3, a 2.6, a 1.4, a 3.4, a 1.7, a 2.0, a 2.1, a 2.3, and it goes on and on and on. Let me show you. It goes on and on and on. I am not fibbing. This page link will give you the links you need. Give you the links you need to check out. Matter of fact, what I'm going to do is copy that link again and put it at the very bottom for you guys to check out. Copy. For you guys to check out all the aftershocks. I know there's a few of you from Turkey, and I want you guys to be able to use that to check on the aftershocks. Let me do this here. Link to check on aftershocks. All right. I'm putting it down there. This is the Turkey Earthquake Center. It's the KOERI Turkey EQ Center. Please check on that, okay, if you're worried about the aftershocks. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is go ahead and make copies of this and get this to you. And then we'll go back one last time and I'll show you USGS and EMSC. Copy. Now, the estimated release of power for this earthquake, keep in mind EMSC is the primary data source, was 2,268 tons of TNT, equal to 0.2 atomic bomb. The closest volcano, like I said, was 96 miles away. I forgot to put it in miles for you guys. Hang on. Equals 96 miles away, color code green, normal, dormant. All right, you'll have the longitude, latitude, estimated release of power, EMSC's tweets, EMSC webpage, GFC tweet, USGS, and Turkey. You'll have disaster alert in there, and then you're going to have the extra little link for aftershocks, okay? So let me copy this. Copy. Let's go put this into YouTube for you guys so you can go check it out right away. And videos and edit. It's been a very busy night last night. 3 major earthquakes at 1 o'clock and then this. Total of maybe 19 earthquakes in the last 2 days, major. And that's a lot of earthquakes. All right. We're saving it now. Okay. And we're going to take this and we're going to share it to community. So you guys can get in and get right away and get to the links. And there it is. It's now in the community. All links are in the description box. And I'm going to go ahead and let you guys, well, we'll go back and show USGS first, and then EMSC. As you can see, they're showing no tsunami threat for this earthquake, okay? It is green. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. USGS said, let me make sure. USGS said it was a 5.4 Turkey. They've got it 11 miles east of YEDISU Turkey at 6.2 miles in depth. And the last time we'll go pick up EMSC. 3 other earthquake centers, guys, say it is a 5.5. And they all confirmed it. But USGS has got it at 5.4. All right. EMSC says it was a 5.5 eastern Turkey. They've got it 12 miles southeast of YEDISU Turkey at 3.1 miles in depth. All right. Now, it also came across on the GFC as a 5.5, confirmed. It came across on the Turkey Earthquake Center, confirmed. All those links are in the description box, okay? And you'll have the aftershocks. All right. We are done. David, thank you for coming in. Free TV, thank you so much for coming in, sweetie. I appreciate you. You have yourself a great, great day, all right? Please be safe out there. I will be doing any major earthquakes as they come along. Right now, I gotta go take care of hubby and take care of my pup, okay? Have a great one. 2 thumbs up. Sending big hugs. Sending much love. God bless.